You might think that I've always enjoyed playing the piano, that I just woke up one day and knew how to play the piano. You're wrong, it wasn't easy. You have days where it feels like it's never going to click, but here's the truth no one tells you. You're already winning. The moment you sat down at the piano and decided to start, you succeeded. You took action, joined this community. You decided to invest in yourself, to practice, to improve, and it proves that you're already winning. But of course, you've got to give it some time. You're not failing. You're just starting. The secret isn't about how perfect you sound today. It's about staying consistent. It's about showing up tomorrow and the day after that and the month after that. Then looking back a year from now and realizing, wow, I'm an amazing player. Then you'll do it again and again, and people will start asking how you got so good. And you'll realize it didn't happen overnight. You just never stopped.